Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, I've been away for a couple of weeks in Thailand on holiday. Yeah, I was best man for my mates, so that's why there's been a little bit of a lull in the videos. But yeah, I've just come back to a workshop which is an absolute pigsty. Because I'm in a massive rush just to get out of here. I mean, I've got like carbon roof here, carbon bonnets over there. Work I'm certainly on with is the Mark 7 bonnet, ready to get moulded. I've done the outer skin mould, so the inner skin mould. Got a Mark 6 roof here, ready for moulding now. Got the tailgate to be started for the Mark 7, door for the Mark 7 to be started. Just parcels everywhere. It's just a tip, but I'm really psyched up and ready to get back into the swing of things. But yep, as per title, I've made another boo-boo. I don't want to say yet again, but it's not the first time. I am human. Yeah, I don't know if you remember, I did a dashboard for an Escort, for a Fiesta RS Turbo that was running Cosworth running gear, Cosworth engine. I put the dash with the 2 gauge pods, then I did a small ID tag that goes on the front of the dash by the windscreen. So did all that, showed the customer, he said he was happy with it, blah blah blah, sent it all off, jobs are good, and then I get a message in Thailand saying, "Hi Raj, hope you're okay." Just looked at the tag reference compared to the VIN tag, and they're completely wrong. The number that I've done on the tag is completely wrong. So I was thinking, how the hell have I done that now? And then it sort of dawned on me that when the dashboard he supplied me already had a tag on it, I assumed that was off his car. So I've just copied that reference, put it onto the one I machined out of carbon, made it look all Gucci, and just sent it off, and that was that. Didn't stop to think that, oh, this is a donor dash from a completely different car. So, yep. I am human, made a complete boo-boo again, and I'm going to sort it. So I just said to him, listen, I'll be back in a week or so, I'll get it sorted as soon as I come back. So it's a Tuesday, well, it's coming to the evening now. And I've had another job as well come in, which I can run in tandem with this, which is a tag for a Clio, a supercharged Clio, to go on top of the inlet plenum. So I've got a couple of pieces of off-cut carbon lying around. I'll be able to get these machined at the same time, get paid for one of them, because I can't expect the customer to pay for the one I messed up. But I can get that done now quickly, and it'll be a nice little video for you to watch, just to get back in the swing of things. But yeah, let's get on with it. And just like that, the job's done. It took a little bit longer than that, but yeah, they've turned out really well. Really happy with them. Got a nice neat engravings with a lovely deep shine to them. Just as it should be. But yeah, all ready to get packaged up and sent out to the customers. So to the existing customer, sincere apologies for the little mistake I made. Hope you like the new one. To the new customer, thank you very much for your business. I've double checked I have spelt it right, so it should be done and dusted for you. I'd just like to thank everyone who's been subscribing and watching the channel so far. Really appreciate your support. If you have liked the content and you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And waffling on again. Hope you've enjoyed the content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.